Hello everyone, this is Jeff from MPX AUTOS. How are you today? In this video we would like to share about the work that we finished in the Land Cruiser Troopy 2023, a brand new car. And we already have a few videos showing about how the function inside the system we fit into this car, which we can talk about the noise system here, premium one with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and we have the roof mount 19-inch LCD system, which is here, you can see it, and we have the surrounding camera setup. We have the high definition parking sensor, and now in this video we would like to share about the sound system. This car was built with the purpose to make the best sound system out of the car with the Pioneer D-Class components. So we spent a lot of time and effort to build up this one, tuning up to the correct level, and at this moment the sound performance out of this car is awesome. I would say it is very high performance of the sound. It will satisfy many of you who want the high level of the sound of music, and it can satisfy many different types of music, going from pop, jazz, country, rock, and so on. So what happened is, you definitely know that this car came with a very standard factory speaker under here, which now nothing here, and the other side. So two speakers before, and at this moment it already been with it the speaker and tweeter. So looking at the right door over here, we have that tweeter, and we have that speaker down here. It comes with the external port, and the speakers stay very nice over here. You can feel a very sharp, very clear sounds out of the speaker right now. So that's the tweeter, and the same thing for the other door. You have the tweeter and you have the main driver speaker down there, with the special port for the car. And going to the back end, you have other two speaker fit here, and you have other two speaker tweeter fit here. So in total 8 of them in total. And now what else? We actually have another D-Class Pioneer 1200 watt amplifier to power up all the speakers and tweeter. So that is one main component inside the system now. It's already been custom fit nicely along the car, somewhere along the car on the left side, and it already been tuned up properly to achieve the best performance out of those speaker and tweeter. And the last component of the system is the under seat active subwoofer and amplifier, which we fit under the driver's seat. So that is about the whole setup of the component of the sound, and no need to say too much, but at this point, if you sit in this car, you will really love how the performance from this head unit and the surrounding sound setup. So that's about what we have done. All the part and components hidden away very nice, and you can play different type music, different type video, and this the video about the guitar, and of it from YouTube, which actually one of the very nice video song. You can find easily it with the name guitar 3 hours guitar relax. And we would like to say thank you for the creator of this video song who shared on the YouTube. And yeah, it's night time and it's relaxing guitar music. And if you sit in this car and if you want to have a sleep, just take it, because this car in the end it actually will be a camper van, and that is the purpose, to build this lovely, powerful and high performance sound system. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to click subscribe to our channel if you like our videos, and just watch other video about this special brand new Land Cruiser Troopy 23. Thank you, and we'll see you then.